Mastering the tune, the art of tuning a B-flat trumpet. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic especially for our music enthusiasts and English language learners: tuning a B-flat trumpet. This process is not just about adjusting your instrument. It's an art that ensures the quality of your sound. We'll explore what it means to tune a B-flat trumpet, why it's important, and how you can do it yourself. Stay tuned to master this essential skill. The B-flat trumpet is a brass instrument known for its bright, powerful sound. It's a staple in many musical genres, from classical to jazz. The B-flat signifies that when you play a note written as C on this trumpet, it sounds a B-flat in concert pitch. This detail is crucial for understanding how to tune your instrument correctly. Tuning your trumpet is essential for several reasons. First, it ensures that your instrument plays in harmony with others. Imagine playing in an orchestra or band where everyone's slightly off pitch. It would not be pleasant. Secondly, proper tuning allows you to produce the best possible sound. An out-of-tune trumpet can sound harsh or flat, detracting from the music's overall quality. 1. Warm-up. Always start by warming up your trumpet and yourself. Playing a few notes helps stabilize the instrument's temperature, which affects tuning. 2. Use a tuner. A digital tuner is a valuable tool for beginners and professionals alike. It will show you how close your pitch is to the desired note. 3. Adjust the tuning slide. The main tuning slide controls the overall pitch. If you're playing too high, sharp, pull the slide out slightly to lower the pitch. If you're too low, flat, push the slide in. 4. Check each valve. Each valve has its own tuning slide. After adjusting the main slide, play notes using each valve and adjust their slides as necessary for fine-tuning. 5. Listen and adjust. Use your ears. The best musicians tune not just to a tuner but also to each other. Practice tuning with recordings or with fellow musicians to develop your ear. Tuning is a skill that improves with practice. The more you tune your trumpet, the quicker and more accurately you'll be able to do it. Try tuning at the beginning of each practice session, and check your tuning as you play different notes and scales. Congratulations on taking the first step towards mastering your B-flat trumpet's tuning. Remember, tuning is an ongoing process that requires patience and practice. We hope this video has been informative and encourages you to fine-tune your skills further. Happy practicing, and see you in the next video.